Hello, everyone. Thank you so much for joining me on this beautiful walk in nature today. Connecting with trees has always held a special place in my heart. The power of water to soothe, to rejuvenate, to remind me, especially in this very cold water, how alive I am in this moment, how alive I am in all moments, reminding me of the magnificence that surrounds me always. I can find peace in any aspect of nature. Overlooking a beautiful river, watching a sunrise over a prairie, feeling the sun touching my skin, noticing all the beautiful little details of frost upon grasses and trees, noticing the ice as it is growing. I am just so thankful every single moment that I am spending in nature, reminding myself of who I am.